John White Abbott was born May 13, 1763, died 1851. He was an English surgeon and apothecary in Exeter, remembered as a keen amateur painter in both watercolour and oils. His watercolours are close in style to those of his teacher, Francis Towne. His watercolours were generally landscapes, for which he toured to the Lake District, but in oil he also did history paintings. After inheriting an estate at the age of 62, he retired there, and was appointed a deputy lieutenant of Devonshire in 1831. Abbott exhibited regularly at the Royal Academy between 1795 and 1805, he is last recorded exhibiting there in 1822. His oil paintings were once well known, but the great bulk of his work was landscape watercolors. He had a series of etchings of his paintings created which was nearly complete at the time of his death.